Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through deleting a conversation on the Instagram app when using your PC, all updated for the latest version. Let's get your inbox organized in just a few simple steps. If you're ready to clear out old messages or tidy up your chats, start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Just launch your preferred web browser and head over to the official Instagram website. Once you're logged in, you'll see Instagram's modern homepage layout. Next, look to the left-hand menu for the messenger icon, which resembles a speech bubble with a lightning bolt inside. Click this icon and you'll be taken straight to your direct messages section, where all your chats are kept. Now it's time to locate the conversation you want to delete. Scroll down through your message list to find the chat you'd like to remove. Once you spot it, click on it to open the conversation window. Inside the chat, look towards the upper right corner. There, you'll see the info icon, usually represented by a lowercase I in a circle. Click this icon to bring up the conversation details and actions menu. From here, you'll see an option that says Delete Chat. Click on this, and a confirmation prompt will pop up, making sure you really want to permanently remove the conversation. Simply choose Delete again to finalize your choice. That's all it takes. With just a few quick clicks, the conversation will vanish from your inbox. Remember, this deletes the chat only from your side, so you can enjoy a cleaner, more organized messaging space on Instagram. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, make sure to keep these instructions handy the next time you want to clear up space in your inbox or remove old messages. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and take control of your Instagram conversations with confidence.